Okay, they call this a battery of cannons. And according to the tour guide, this battery of cannons were so effective against the Japanese. But, well, in the end, the Japanese took over the island and the Filipino American soldiers were overcome. But for a while, the Filipino American soldiers were army was winning. Big big help from these battery cannons, but the Japanese invading army proved to be more superior during that time than the combined forces of the Filipinos and Americans. So can you imagine a lot of Filipino and American soldiers were fighting here and dying to protect the country, to save the country from becoming Japanese invasion. And, yeah, I don't know what it is. Probably a spare part compartment or something. Quarter. You can almost hear bombs exploding everywhere, and soldiers firing their rifles. Wounded soldiers crying for help.